Friends, Running Kimono here. So, I guess this must have happened on a Tuesday. A bunch of stores, every single store close to where I live, hair care has gone 90% off, which is a steal of a deal. A lot of this stuff has been orange tagged for a really long time. I noticed that earlier in the week, a couple stores had it at 90% off, and I was able to make some deals happen. But I went to 4 stores this morning, and all 4 had clearance shampoo, conditioners, lotions, stylers, you name it. So walk down that shampoo aisle and ask for some price checks. It's always a year mileage may vary, and typically it's either Tuesdays or Saturdays they start getting marked down really aggressively to 90% for certain items. Earlier in the week, this Garnier shampoo, it was actually a conditioner. I got 2 of them and I paid $1.10. I actually rolled $1 in Walgreens cash, and that $3 register reward printed for me. And I was able to do it in a couple transactions, and that was really quite the find. This mousse as well by L'Oreal, we have a 2 off a 2 digital coupon, and it's basically making it completely free if you can track that down. So don't only look for shampoos, also look for stylers because it's really, really cheap. I found a bunch of Love Beauty and Planet conditioners for $1. The original price was $10, so that's some tremendous savings. Unfortunately, no digital coupons, no IBOTTA rebates, but for $1, yeah, I'm going to definitely buy those. This Thicker Fuller Hair, which is a unique product, they had $1 coupon on it. It was on clearance for $1, and that $1 coupon scanned perfectly for me, so it made it completely free at the register. And Head and Shoulders, there's a coconut one, and then there's 2 that with the blue labels, and they're $1.19 at 90% off. On the promotion of buy 2, get a $3 register reward. So if you can find 2 of them, I would buy 2 of them, pay the $2.40. You're going to get back a $3 register reward this week. And I took the liberties of scanning the tags. This is what the 2 look like. Unfortunately, at this store, they were all cleared out, but here they are, and check IBOTTA if there might be a rebate for you. Moving it along, this company, I'm not even sure, Husk Chia Seed Dry Shampoo. Ooh, dry shampoo for 90 cents. I would have bought all that, but unfortunately it was cleared at this store. We have this Duke Cannon pomade. I'm assuming that's for a beard for $1.49. And the original price was $14.99. Some tremendous savings here. 2 of these L'Oreal Elvive products, $1.19, 90% off. And then this other item for 60 cents. Again, I scanned the barcode in the app to show you guys the visuals. So this is what you're looking for in the store. At the very least, if these are products that you might use, bring them to the front and ask for a price check. And if it's 90%, I would definitely buy them. If your store doesn't have them in stock, unfortunately, those are the breaks, but I would definitely try your best to track them down. So it's basically like all the shampoos that have been orange tagged for a couple of months. They all went 90, I'm assuming, on Tuesday. We have the Tresemme Wave for 80 cents. We have another Tresemme product for 73 cents. This is a colorized color shampoo. 73 cents. Wow. This it's called Sexy Hair. And this is some sort of a gel. And I also scanned both of the tags to give you guys the visuals. For the big sexy hair, that's the pump that you're looking for. And for the 70-cent Tresemme, it's with the red tag. So if you're seeing these items in the store, bring them to the front, ask for a price check, and I'm having my fingers crossed that it's 90% for you. And typically when couponers see these prices so low, they probably fill up a cart and that's it. So if your store is cleared, if you have a couple of stores, I would visit all of them. I'm just giving you guys visuals of what I'm seeing at a couple of the stores because I'm showing you the stills of what the shampoo looks like. They were cleared. But lots of these other brands, if you've always wanted to try them out, 90% off, I would definitely give it a shot. This is like a shine spray to make your hair extra shiny. It seems absolutely glorious, and I got a couple of those, so I'm really excited to try them. But I would definitely go to the store ASAP because this might be your day where you find some stuff and you get the gold medal in couponing. Like, why not? And there was so much stuff. And definitely open up the different rebate apps in case there might be some sort of like rebate for one of these products. You never know. I would get out to Walgreens right away. In the Midwest, we have a grocery store, Meijer, and their Christmas went 90 this morning, which is Thursday, January the 9th. And I'm not going to do a haul on this because I know there's only a handful of Meijer shoppers in the Midwest, and you guys are probably getting Christmased out from all these Christmas hauls. But I got two stores, two baskets, and I think I spent about $80. A lot of Christmas lights for outside and things for exterior lights, so that's why the out of pocket was a little bit more, but lots of stuff to fill the stockings and get organized for next year. And I got a lot of the baking stuff for my mother-in-law in case she wants to make a cheesecake or cookies right now. I got a couple boxes of that for her, and I'm sure she'll be really delighted. That's it for this video. Definitely Walgreens, I would go right away. And if you have a Meijer and you love Christmas, go and look for the 90%. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.